Greetings and Happy New Year 2021. So previously I used a 1993 D4C SE with a old rectangular power nozzle to pick up 20 grams of fine dust in the carpet. We got some pretty interesting results because I was finally able to pin down how much water gets destroyed every time you turn this canister on, at least for just enough time to run the 2-cycle test. So we're going to repeat this with this E2 2-speed gold with the PN2E power nozzle. And I'm hoping that we get a little bit better pickup, but I'm leaning towards the different brush roll should have a lot to do with it. But you know what I'm going to have to do? I'm going to have to figure out exactly how much water gets pulverized every time you turn the canister on and off. So I guess I'll do it on camera, but I'm going to do it in a real fast speed. Shooting for about 12 seconds total on and off cycle time. On high, of course. Okay, obviously the wind down is going to be a little bit extra. If anything drips. All right, now got to go and weigh this bowl. We ended up with 2458.6. If we subtract that from 2461.1, I get 2.5 grams total water destruction. This is round 1. For round 2, we get a difference of 2.2 grams. And the result for round number 3 is a difference of 2.3 grams. Now on to round number 4. And for round number 4, we end up with a difference of 2.5 grams. On to the last round. And finally, the last difference is 2.3 grams. Well, I'm glad that's over. Now we can average everything together and run the test. All this preparation for such a quick test. Okay. Now, need to get the board of measurement. Notice that I can still easily see some white in my brown. Do not adjust your set. That water is pretty cloudy, and it's obscuring the numbers a bit. Okay, well, we did better, all right. So let's do 2466.4 minus 2461.1. We have an initial raw difference of 5.3 grams, but we found out what the error rate was, so let's add back in an average of 2.36 grams for a realistic pickup of 7.66 grams. Now remember, I did 20 grams, not 10, so I have to divide that by 20. There is the fraction. Let me move the decimal point, and yes, we have a nice improvement. I think the old SE with that much older rectangular nozzle pulled out about 25%, and this new PN2E, I mean the whole system's newer, we're at 38.3%. So that is quite a nice improvement. I've sandwiched this rainbow between two machines, one of which does a little bit better and one does a little bit worse. Starting over from the right, the DC25 comes in at 35%. The E2 2-speed gold with the much improved PN2E got 38%, and the gorgeous yellow Miele Jazz beats them both, coming in at 42%. By the way, my total running average for this two-cycle test is currently 44%. Now I've got a whole bunch of baking soda that's still left in that carpet. I wonder, what am I going to grab to get that out this time? Yep, believe it or not, this one does better than those previous three on fine dust. Let's see what's left. Looks like we had some eventually come through the carpet, didn't we? Look at that right there. Oh, we'll get that up along with everything else. Okay. Some of that stuff actually shook through the bottom of the carpet. All right, anything interesting? No, pretty good. Oh, right here. I'm feeling it right here. So there's a little pile of it right around here. A little bit there, definitely there. I can see it there. So I'll take care of that. Okay, so we're pretty much done. But yeah, I'm going to use something a little more powerful than this to make sure that my test carpet is super clean. Thanks for watching.